I am right here in my office together with my client. What's the name of my client? Blue. Blue. Good morning, Blue. Good morning, guys. I am here in my office together with my guests. Blue. Blue. Say hi to them. Hi. Step up. Kiss. 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 Good morning. So let's have a coffee, Blue. Huh? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So we're going to have a coffee with Blue. Step up. Okay. Cheers. Coffee. What do you think about your coffee? Is it good? Was it good? Is it? Is it lovely? Wow, it's good. How about some cookies? Do you like some cookies? It's not cookies and milk, it's cookies and coffee. So CC, cookies and coffee for Blue in the morning. So guys, good morning. I'm here in my office together with my guest here, Blue, having a coffee with some cookies. Alright, Blue? Oh. Do you love it? Cookies? Do you like some cookies? Mr. Blue Sky have his own mug because the last time he drank my coffee. Nyap nyap nyap. How are you? Kiss 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 kiss. Up. Do you like it? Up 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 up. Do you like it? Do you like the coffee? Up up. Yes 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 yes. Guys, I wear a t-shirt that was given to me by my brothers. It says here XVI. That's my name. XVI. Careful. Careful. Are you done? Guys, it is a wonderful morning. Good day.